welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube video part 2, and I recommended you to see the part 1 video and come back to this video. So the part 1 video link is in the description. I make sure you watch that video and come to this video. So now I'm going to show you how to make a cool intro for your channel, cool and free intro for your channel. So for that you have to search Panzoid. The link is in the description, guys. You have to click the site. So here it is. Choose your favorite intro which you want. For example, I'm going to choose this, and you have to click the open in clip maker. So here it is. It will take few seconds for loading. So here it is. You have to adjust the screen over here, guys. So I'm going to just check how this video is, how this intro is. So here it is. Okay, so for example, I'm going to choose this, and now I'm going to show how to change the name over here. So for that, you have to open this cube icon. So here it is, text. For example, this is a normal video, so I'm going to choose like normal. I'm going to choose like cool intro, guys. So over here. So now I'm going to play it and see. Okay, guys, I think you saw that. Now I'm going to show you how to change the name which is displayed on the video. So you have to click this cube icon. So here there will be text over here, text, and you have to, here will be text, guys, and you should change the name you want. I'm going to change as Roblox over here, and you can change your font you want. So I'm going to choose as custom font. So now you have to click, you have to type Roblox and click enter. Here also same, enter. Okay, same. Make sure you should change the font in every single test, guys. So okay, so now I changed everything into Roblox, so you have to just play it. So guys, I hope you saw that, but there is something over here, right? Green color, that is nothing but this group. You have to just change everything. Like in the video it was showing text, right? So where and all it is written text, you have to change it to Roblox. So you have to click enter. So now what you have to do is just here is you have to just wait. Okay, guys, if still it is not coming for you, still it is showing green color, just follow. Okay, for me still it is not coming, guys. So now what you have to do is just you have to just search what is that, where what is written on here. So I think okay, here it is. I forgot to add this text. So it again, do it into Roblox, click enter. So it's so perfect, guys. So let me just, you saw that. Okay, so this is so perfect, guys. Now I'm going to show you how to download the video. Just click this download button over here. So click balance or good quality, anything you want. So it just click start video rendering. Okay, so when this video is finished rendered, and you have to click a download video button over here. When you click that, your video will be downloaded, and you should go to the download file, and you have to, you should go to the download file, and your video will be there. So now I'm going to show you a best, now I'm going to show you best video recorder and how to video recorder. Now for that you have to open your browser and search OBS. The link is in the description, guys. So you have to search OBS and open this link. So you have to click download. So when you are inside download, you have to download the installer. If your laptop is 32-bit, then download here. So after you finish downloading the video will be downloaded, and open the setup and do everything. I will show how to record a video in my next, how to record a video the OBS Studio in my next video, guys. So now I'm going to show you how to make a cool video, guys, YouTube video now. So now what you have to do is just click new tab. So now before you upload a video on YouTube, you have to just edit it. you have to add this you have to add this intro and your video. You have to add that. So for that you have to search opencast video opencast video editor. So that site link is in the description, so you have to go down now here. Okay, here it is. No, not this. Okay, it will be over. There will be many okay guys, this is it. You have to open that. The link is in the description, so you have to download it or here. So you have to download it and show you how to edit this video in OpenShot Video Editor in my next video. So now when you did everything, you have to first if you have to first make a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So thumbnail I'll show you perfectly over here. So for that you have to search Canva. Okay, Canva. Okay, I have to just click enter, search that. Okay, so where is Canva? Here it is, guys. So you have to open it. The link will be in the description. Okay, so when you just open it, make a new account. You have to make a new account or sign up with Google. It's your wish. So you have to do that. Okay, I'm going to do. Yeah, if you want, you can choose the another account. Okay, you just have to do that. Okay, so when you just did that, you will be inside the Canva site over here. So now what you have to do is click this, and so you have to click YouTube thumbnail, or you should search thumbnail. Here it is. You have to click this, and now you can also upload any photo you want, like from your laptop you should upload. So here it is. So now you can also search any photo you want. For example, I'm going to do a game. You have to search gaming if you want gaming. So here it is. I'm going to choose this. So don't worry guys, there will be like free and some will be like this pro. So pro also you can also do that, but you cannot do this much big, guys. For example, you can do small. I'll show you guys, wait a minute. So I have to just adjust this. Okay, for me I think this is okay. So you have to adjust this over here, and you have to click elements. So if you want anything you want, so for example this is a pro element, so I'm going to click that. So this is over here. They'll show remove watermark, but you don't want to give money for that. You have to just click over here. So now here it is, guys. So if you click download, we have a pro. We have one pro picture, guys. So we can't download it. We have to give real money. So for that, the best step is open snipping tool, and you have to do that when you finished making your thumbnail. So like for if there is box like this and all, you'll just click outside over here. So open your snipping tool, click new, and perfectly snip this picture, guys. Okay, I snipped, and you just save it. Okay, I'm going to save over D. Okay, capture, save. So here it is. So now you have to close. Your thumbnail will be ready. Now what you have to do is, I'm going to show how to upload the video. You have to search YouTube, and you have to log into your YouTube account when you gone inside the YouTube. So when you just logged in, you have to click this, or you have to click this create upload video. Okay, so when you upload video, you will go inside the YouTube studio and channel videos. So select files. So for example, I want to upload this Roblox. You have to just select this file. Okay, it's uploading. So here it is. You have to put any title you want and description. So thumbnail, I said you guys. So upload. You have to click upload the thumbnail. So it will be in D. Here it is. So just open it. So your video, before any viewers watch your video, this will be displayed, guys. So now you have to select the playlist you want, and for if you want the chat allowed, You can choose if you want it is made for kids, you have to click yes. If it is not made for kids, you should click no. You can also put age restriction. It is not made for kid means you have to click no. The if you want the viewer should be over 18, you have to click yes. Below 18 means you have to click no. Your chat will be also enabled in this. So more options, you can put your tags you want, paid promotions, and language. You have to put your language if you want. If you want to put language and caption, recording date and location also you can put. So here it is guys, YouTube license, standard YouTube license. So here it category gaming title. You have to, if for example I'm uploading Roblox, you have to just search Roblox or here. Okay, so here it is. So if you want to allow all comments, you have to allow all comments. So you have to click next. So okay guys, my video is not uploaded, so you have to do like you have to just do that and click add an end screen. So you have to click add an end screen. End screen means when the videos ended, I think you saw it. When the videos ended, there will be a two video and there will be the subscribe button. If you want that, you can do that. So you have to click next. When you do that, so visibility, you have to click public. So here it is. So you have to click publish guys. When you click publish, your video will be uploaded. So bye guys, see you in my next video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.